Okay, Andrea, we are here. We're gonna try it. It looks like they're open. Continue the cash. Continue the cash. So this one looks like it's opened at least.
This guy doesn't know it's a holiday. Don't tell him.
Don't tell him, right?
Tell him that it's a holiday.
All right. Vai ficar doente. Yeah, tu vieste aqui. Yeah.
Okay, don't tell them
that it's a holiday. Kitchen's closed? No. Is it? Okay, so hello. This is chá, bacalhau frito, all kinds of stuff. So hopefully they're not paste frank. I'm good. That's all I care. I'm good. They have chicken. I'm good.
They got chicken?
They got chicken. All right, so something is open. Não é? A gente vai experimentar.
Cantinho do cais, não é? Para marcar a pessoa descansar sobre cadeira.
Yeah.
A gente já experimentamos o imigrante.
It was really
já viste como é que o GPS estava a dizer de cara lá para lá?
Yeah, this is not called imigrant unless that's like the nickname.
Correct.
It's not showing up as
Immigrants.
De Nordeste a Portugal, ainda leva 45 minutos.
41 minutes.
Maybe it was on walking mode.
No, it was not. It's no
Walking mode.
Não percebe inglês, não é? Between. So this is sopa de peixe. This is how they bring it.
Deixa pôr molho, veja molho.
I've got the bread. The bread is different. I never had this bread.
It's very good.
Yeah, like é pão diferente. It's moist inside. I don't know. I'm not sure qual é que é this pão.
They have a name. He'll come to me.
Yeah. Parece que é feito no uma panela, não é? Or something like that. This is an appetizer. How's this an appetizer? Okay, the molho was delicious. Oh my god, wasn't it good? So you made it like a little appetizer with us. It had tuna, had recheio, and it had yum. The spoolers, of course, you guys know I don't eat the spoolers.
fish cake. Like it was like fish cake.
Fish cake.
Stuffing, whatever it is.
Yeah, it was really good. Look at this. Oh my god, honey, I think this is gonna be our next favorite place. Look at this. Good.
It's hot.
It's hot. That's always good. I like. Gotta ask them for ketchup. That looks good. Chicken.
Okay, talk to me, guys. How was the restaurant? Top notch?
Yeah.
Top notch. To be honest, it's not compared to the other ones. It's not that cheap.
It's like $15.
It's almost the price of Punta Delgado. It's the honest truth. But the food
It's good.
very good. The soup, turn like this. The soup is very good.
Yeah.
He also did, technically, ele did duas entradas.
Yeah, we had the soup and we had the appetizer and the bread. So it was very good.
So very close.
Yeah,
so,
it's a regular price between
I
12,
think
15.
a little bit on the north side.
Yeah.
North side compared to the other one.
Benjamin is becoming cheap.
No, I'm not becoming cheap. This is my people. I gotta be honest with them. Quem está vivendo fixed income.
Estou acostumado a gastar $30-40 ao prato.
De onde é?
No Canadá ou na América.
A mulher de Burger King. Essa mulher só de Burger King desse canal. Oh.
Okay, this is the Porto Formos. Não é o nome dessa área.
Formos.
Formos.
Not famoso.
No, Formos. Whatever. This is the house que o Joe e o Benjamin foram roubar morangos out of. Beautiful place.
3 years ago, já estávamos strawberries ali em cima.
I know, I was just telling them.
Hey.
Os ladrões, não é? Look at that. Really low tide. I'm gonna see if I can go over here. See what's over here. Benjamin went up top over there. Não dá pra ir lá pra cima. Beautiful.
De tudo, desde aniversários, a chás de casamentos e até porque não uma reunião de família. O açoriano será a sua casa longe de casa. Com sabores clássicos portugueses que toda a família irá apreciar, o açoriano tem o prato perfeito para todos. Restaurante e bar açoriano. Pode saborear as ilhas a partir daqui.
Oh, check these guys. Ibalas carapinhas. Look at this. Wow, that's a big boy.
Got it? Oh. I think this one's an American boat. Oh, Americano.
A little bit. What does that give me? 13 minutes off into after.
Your father was lifting up the weights. He missed it. I don't know what they did, but there's a hole. Yeah, it looks like they probably uprooted a plant, a whole tree. Okay, so we are gonna go and see the waterfall, and then we're gonna go to the beach, Port Famous Beach. It's Port Famous Beach. Is that the one we're gonna go?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the waterfall first. You gonna do brick over here now?
Nossa, mas tá. Não, para ficar aqui assim bonitinho.
Yes.
Por cima por lá.
Too much.
Isso é uma coisa que eu podia fazer.
Eu podia, não era?
Alright, sorry about that, guys. Phone call came in. Cut me off. Like I was saying, the Portuguese waterfall. Look at this. Tá fresquinha a água? Yeah? Hey, what a drop. Alright, now we got it. Now we got it. Look at this. Deixa eu ver se a água tá fresquinha. Oh, yeah! Ih, que água fresquinha. Hey, you guys! Yeah. Waterfall, Noah.
I don't think I did that last year. People, they want me to go over there. I'm gonna fall in. Okay, like, I don't have schnatter. This is deep.
Okay, listen,
You have to go first.
You put your foot right here.
Uh-huh. I have jeans. I don't have shorts. Oh my God. You Benjamin. Benjamin's gonna come too? Oh God. people. I made it without falling. It did not fall in. Benjamin helped me out. My hair is like pulling.
Traga toda a família ou apareça para almoçar. Independentemente do que o traz aqui, o açoriano tem o prato perfeito para qualquer ocasião. Tudo, desde os clássicos portugueses a novas versões dos seus pratos preferidos. O açoriano será a sua casa, longe de casa. Restaurante e bar açoriano. Pode saborear as ilhas a partir daqui.